Welcome back. And this job brought me to Mount Kisco, New York, where I got to visit some old friends and take care of an old rotting door for them. Well, I knew the door rotted away on this one. It had been rotting away for a number of years. But what I wasn't expecting was to find the sill plate actually buried in concrete. So that was going to be task one, is correcting and taking care of that. With the old rotted sill plate removed and concrete poured in its place, it was time to get started on the rebuild. First thing I was going to do was address the double slope here, and that is two slopes coming down, dumping water right into this door. So I took to cementing in and getting that corrected to divert the water away from the door when it comes down these walkways. Now that that part was done, I got to reframing the door, and we made quick work of getting this hung. And I say we because the owner was helping me out with this project. And there it is. The new door is in place. This is a vinyl sliding door. I also used PVC molding, so we should not have any more issues with the water, and everything is drained away from the door now. This is normally where I say thanks for watching and click like and subscribe, but today I'm going to say if you like my intro video and the logo, the owner of this property is the one who designed and created those for me. So special shout out to James for that work.